If you guys remember, let's look at what we're dealing with here. We've got these plunge cuts from a circular saw that are just really rough. Obviously, this is not the greatest solution, not the most attractive, of course. I showed this method where we screw this board on, cut it out, and just get rid of that kind of vent altogether, and then put a new one on. I had so many comments saying like, you should have just caulked it. Here's why I don't believe that caulking it would be the best solution. If you have a gap like that, and this one's actually larger than the one I showed in the last video, this is like 3/16 of an inch in some areas. So if you fill this with caulking, that caulking is going to shrink, okay? So here we are in this situation. We set up these ladders next to this landscape. Here's what I see in my mind. If I go the caulking route, I caulk that in there. I would use elastomeric, like big stretch, so it doesn't crack, okay? But it will shrink, and it's only a matter of time. So later on down the road, I get a call back that says, hey, that stuff you did, I can still see it. All right, I don't want to come back and set up these ladders, set up the scaffold. We had that scaffold in multiple places yesterday, and it was not, I mean, it's fine, it's work, but it wasn't like something I want to do again, okay? It's just annoying. But then there was a lot of people who were saying like, why don't you use a filler like Bondo or Abatron? Those were the two that kept coming up, Bondo and Abatron. So let's talk a little bit about Bondo, okay? The problem with something like this with Bondo, if there was like one or two or three, I might use like a Bondo or an Abatron. But the problem is there's 20 of these, if you remember in that last video. That means 20 times you're coming up the ladder, you're mixing up your Bondo, you're mixing up your Abatron, they're both two-part components. Then you're spatulaing, plastering it on there, right? You're filling this in. A lot of times you're not gonna get that look you want on that first coat. That's gonna shrink and it's gonna suck up. It's gonna make a depression and you're still gonna see that. So you're gonna have to do a second coat. I really feel this way with Bondo. You're gonna have to come back and do a second coat. Other than that, if you lay it on super thick, you're making a lot more sanding. So it's like, which one do you wanna do? If you did Bondo, a big problem is these boards right here, this is just pine. This is going to expand and contract, all these boards right here. So there is a chance that Bondo just gets expanded and contracted on too many times and then just cracks and falls to the ground. Now Bondo is exterior, right? It's automotive. They have wood ones as well. But I just don't want to do that. And then even if I do, let's say Bondo's quick, right? It dries in like a couple of minutes. You mix it up, I'm plastering it on there. Bam, I'm just waiting up here. Okay, it's dry. Well now, if I laid it on thick, like you'd have to do, here I am sanding above my head with everything just raining in my face by hand. And if I even brought an orbital sander, everything raining in my face. Now, let's talk about the Abatron approach. I know this is like, we're getting deep here, but Abatron, I like Abatron and we've used it a lot, but again, not ideal for this situation. It takes us more time to set these ladders up and this scaffold up than to do our repair. Like our repair, we timed it earlier. John and I did one. Tom timed it like right around 7 minutes flat. It wasn't exactly 7 minutes, but right there. And if you're gonna do an Abatron, here you are, you're mixing up your two-part component, your A and B, it's an epoxy. You're again plastering it on there, hoping you float it out right the first time. Now you're waiting 2 hours for that to cure. So now, all right, what are we gonna do for 2 hours? I'm not waiting up here for 2 hours. I'm gonna walk back down. Do I wanna move these ladders from this awkward situation and go to the next awkward situation like we just did at the pool over there? No, I want to leave the ladders here. I don't want to spend all this unnecessary time moving stuff around and like getting into scaffold into these weird, we had over there, we couldn't even use the ladders on the other side of the house. They have this chased tree, this really nice tree. We had to like build the scaffold out around it and like take out the section that was like around that tree. So if you're going to use Abatron, that means you are building that awkward scaffold setup, plastering your Abatron on, and then tearing down your scaffold to go to the next one, because it's not efficient to sit there and just wait for it. You might say like, wow, dude, like you're really defending yourself. I'm not. I just feel like a lot of people like who don't do this job don't really understand what goes into it. Like we're here actually doing it. We're trying to be the most efficient, like the quickest, the most cost effective. If I were to go back and like do this again, I wouldn't change anything. Like this is the most efficient way. We have all of our pieces pre-cut. We have our template that we cut out on these the same as like most of them. Some of them, like where say you have like a cut right here, like this one is going to be it. You see how we have our seam right here? We're going to take this off to the seam. Okay, we're not going to our usual spot and just cut it right here. We're going to take it to the seam. So there's those situations where we have to change things up a little bit, but caulking for sure no. Bondo for sure no. Abatron for sure no. And the last kind of like caveat to Bondo and Abatron is that if there was like 2 or 3, we could probably go that road. But when you have 20 and they're all weird, they're all weird setups, this is it, guys. This is the best solution. Let me do a little on that side now. A little back over here. I like that. And time. All right. And that is time. We have done it in, it took 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Under 8 minutes. That's our solution. I think it's still good. I vehemently defend my position. But in all seriousness, you can do whatever you want. Hey, we went ahead and caulked all of them.
Good, good. Yeah. I don't know whose guru solution that was.